Hi, this is Santosh Mehta from mehtaheino Industries OY. I work as a CEO here in the company and I'm from Nepal. I came here back in 2013 and I met my co-founder Heino, and we realized that we both have a common interest in 3D printing, and that's how we started our own company. We registered our company back in 2015 with our first customer called Hero Omar, printing self-calibrating professional headphones, and we managed to print hundreds of headphones using 3D printer. And from there to till now, we have learned a lot of 3D printing, and we believe we have quite good experience how to use 3D printer and then how to design a 3D printer. We have made several prototypes, and what we realize is that 3D printers is not for everyone. It is hard to use, and technology is not accessible to everyone. This is why we co-founded our company with the mission that to make the 3D printer accessible to everyone, for everybody, and to make it as easy as 2D paper printer, so that we don't need manager to use the 3D printer. Our first 3D printer, so we call it Manu Easy 3D printer. Manu stand for manufacturing, so it goes like this: manufacturing easy 3D printer. So reason we choose to keep the name Manu, because we want to take one step forward. Like others, they were like maker creator, so we thought maybe it sounds like hobby, but since we have really good, reliable, repeatable, thus it supports varieties of material, so why not to take one step forward? So this is why we are representing here Manu Easy 3D printer 1.0.